Hello all, this video is a continuation for my unboxing video reviewing Amazon Echo Show 8. I've used this for the past 2 weeks. I will give you the pros and cons of this device. Okay, getting in deep with the device. The device comes with an adapter charger. As you get for your cell phone, you have to charge the device first. Then you can use it. Okay, this is the first ever screen you could see once you open the device. It's crystal clear. You can see me. I'm visible taking the video. And prefer the language whichever you want, English or English and Hindi or Hindi alone. Then it needs Wi-Fi. So it selects a suitable Wi-Fi and connect with that. Then you can proceed. For registration, the device has to be registered to be used. For that, you have to download an app in your mobile. What app that is? Alexa mobile app. Download it and connect it with a mobile whichever you are going to use to operate your Alexa. Then to look about the parts of the device. At the back of the device, it has a charger connecting provision. So the wire is the charger which I have connected to charge the device. Then USB in the middle. Then the third one is audio jack. You can connect to speaker, audio speaker, anything whichever you need. You need the Amazon account to access this device. At the top, it has the main power button, volume minus and plus button, then camera on off buttons. Alexa, tell me the cricket news now.
Here's the cricket news. On Sunday, in the first match, Chennai Super Kings defeated Kings 11 Punjab by 9 wickets, ending their hopes of reaching IPL 2020 playoffs. In the second match, Kolkata Knight Riders defeated Rajasthan Royals by 60 runs to stay alive in the race for IPL 2020 playoffs. Reports India Today.
Alexa, play Enna Sona.
Here's Enna Sona by Arijit Singh, A.R. Rahman and Gulzar on Amazon Music.
Alexa, tell a joke.
How many Bollywood actors does it take to change a light bulb? 100. 1 to change the bulb, and 99 to sing and dance about it.
It's not so funny, Alexa. Alexa, tell everyone dinner is ready.
What's the announcement?
Dinner is ready.
Announcing.
Dinner is ready. Alas, there is someone to obey my orders irrespective of whatever tone I speak. Specifications. The device has a 8-inch HD which is sufficient for 2% to watch film or anything. Then it is enabled only through Wi-Fi. Then Bluetooth is enabled in this device. The processor is MediaTek MT8163. Then it has only 1 megapixel camera which is very dull. Then the language it is familiar with is English and Hindi. Apps this device could recognize are Amazon Music, Amazon Prime Video, then Chuchu TV for kids. If you have kid, you can do that. They will listen to rhymes. Then Geo7 and Cricinfo for cricket bugs. The pros of this device are excellent voice recognition. Sound quality is very good for movie and music. Smart application is compatible. This device is compatible to that. You can use smart AC and smart lights. You can switch it, turn them on and off. Then, of course, good alternative for movie watching. Then going to the cons of the device. It has no battery. You need external power every time. Power bank is another option. And only through browser you can use YouTube also. And no YouTube app in this device, no inbuilt YouTube app, and it's not compatible for using that. Then camera is too poor as it's 1 megapixel and lag during operation. There's of course a bit lag in device operation because it has to listen to your orders, but it does very well. Presently, working with this device with the available features is extremely engaging. Expecting Amazon to release an upgraded version of this device very soon. We'll see you guys in the next video with another interesting segment. Until then, bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to us. Thank you for the existing subscribers.